हेलो, सलाम, नमस्ते। मैं हूं आपका फ्रेंडली नेबरहुड इमी कैन और आज मैं चाइल्डहुड कैंसर अवेयरनेस के लिए IAP PHO चैप्टर के कलीग्स के साथ मुंबई के नेशनल पार्क में अपनी यूनिसाइकिल पर ये रैली में सवार हो रहा हूं।
ओके, विदाउट आवाज के क्लैप्स।
आप बताओ क्या कर रहे हैं आज हम यहाँ?
नमस्ते, मैं हूँ प्रणोति और आज हम यहाँ छोटे बच्चों के कैंसर के बारे में अवेयरनेस क्रिएट कर रहे हैं। जल्दी पता चलने पे और सही ट्रीटमेंट लेने पे इन कैंसर्स का बहुत अच्छा इलाज हो सकता है। 15 फेब हमारा इंटरनेशनल चाइल्डहुड कैंसर डे है और हम उन्हीं बच्चों के लिए आज यहाँ पे रैली कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू।
इनके साथ जुड़ते हैं और शुरू करते हैं कैंसर अवेयरनेस का ये अमेजिंग राइड। सो लेट्स गो विद इमी कैन। These are the nurses and medical staff with whom I'm riding today. Okay, ma'am, can you tell me what's your good name?
I'm Ratna Sharma. So I work for a center called CPT PHO BMC Center, and we treat children with blood diseases, blood cancer. We offer treatment in the form of bone marrow transplant also.
So while we go, let's talk.
Yes, sure.
Okay, tell me your experiences in relation to treating children with cancer.
So the diagnosis of cancer itself is a big shock to the parents. It comes totally unheard of, and the cancer word itself has so many taboos attached to it. People do not want to take treatment. They think there is no cure for this. But let me tell you, pediatric cancers are different than adult cancers. And treating them is very, very hopeful, because if the adult can get cure of cancer of 50 to 60%, the pediatric percentage may be up to 80 to 90%. So please approach your doctors for any of these warning signs like persistent fever, or there are lymph nodes, or there are swellings in the body, or you feel a lump in the abdomen. Please visit your doctors. And when a child has cancer, not only the child but the entire family suffers.
Yes, for
So
sure.
we need to give them comprehensive care, understand the family, make the family
walk
also
around.
understand that cancer cure is achievable.
Hello. As usual, children. Yeah, let's race. 1, 2, 3, come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. And I win. कौन सी एज से कैंसर डिटेक्ट हो सकता है?
Childhood cancer can happen as early in infancy, but we treat cancers up to the age of 18 years.
Okay.
कुछ cancers जल्दी होते हैं,
अच्छा.
बहुत छोटे बच्चों में दिखते हैं। कुछ प्रकार के कैंसर 5 साल की उम्र के बाद दिखते हैं।
That's okay.
I'm so sorry.
That's okay. That's okay. Don't be sorry. And uphill ride. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, Pranati. Come on. Oops. She's the one who's put this entire thing together.
My pleasure. Anything for children.
What are the precautions which parent and child need when they go through the entire process of treating with cancer?
So a cancer needs to be treated with chemotherapy.
Okay.
When someone is on chemotherapy, their immunity is low.
Okay.
So they have to take precautions regarding infections, not go to crowded places, wear a mask, use sanitizers and all cleanliness around. Also, we have a lot of references coming from those outside the city as well as outside the state. These families have nothing in Mumbai except the motive that they want to cure their child of cancer. So we have certain NGOs who support them through the chemotherapy, provide drugs, as well as provide housing and hygienic place to stay. Because these patients can't afford even drugs, how would they afford an accommodation in a place like Mumbai?
How expensive is the treatment with regards to an adult or a child, and how long does the treatment go with the kind of expenses put together?
So if a child has hematolymphoid malignancy as in a blood cancer, or a lymph node cancer, the treatment is generally chemotherapy with or without radiation for about 6 months, and then oral chemotherapy drugs for about 2 years. Also, when there is a solid cancer, then surgery and chemotherapy might be needed.
So what are the kind of expenses which are incurred with these kind of treatments
So
going
generally,
forward?
in a government setup, with all different drugs, because they require admissions also for infections, so the cost would go about 2 to 3 lakhs in a government setup. It can go as high as 10 lakhs if in a private setup, depending on the complications that arise. But we are very fortunate to have NGOs who support these children wholeheartedly.
Okay. And how important role the government plays?
So government, through the government institutes like ours is a BMC hospital, there are government institutes also which give treatment. So all the facilities, all the hospital stay, the staff, the expertise and some scheduled drugs are given to the patient free of cost.
Cool. I think we've covered quite a bit.
Yes.
Now I'm going to juggle and get these people attracted towards what we are planning to do,
Sure.
which is the rally.
Hello, I'm Riddhi Primchandani from CTCPHO BMT Center, and we are here for childhood cancer awareness.
मी कस्तुरबा पोलीस स्टेशनचे कर्मचारी आहोत
ओके.
आणि नॅशनल पार्कमध्ये कॅन्सर वरती एक रॅली आहे, सायकल रॅली, त्याच्याबद्दल
ठीक आहे. आणि तुम्हाला ही रॅली कशी वाटली आज?
नाही, काहीतरी जनजागृतीसाठी चांगला उपक्रम आहे.
I am Dr. Bansri, attached with the CTCPHO BMT Center. I am here to create the awareness for the childhood cancer, that it's completely treatable. So please, please, please take your child at the right time.
तुला आज रॅलीत कसा वाटला?
मला रॅलीमध्ये खूप म्हणजे आनंद वाटतो आणि कॅन्सरबद्दल माहिती लोकांपर्यंत पोहोचते, त्याच्याबद्दल खूप आनंद आहे.
So now I have these two beautiful people who have been instrumental with the ride. Ma'am, tell us how was the ride and how does it conclude to this journey of yours?
So in a small way, I think the effort taken by the team to bring in awareness, it's very fulfilling experience because the people over here seem to be interested in what we were trying to convey. So I think this message will reach the children who actually need to be, brought to the hospital on time. Somewhere the message will get passed on to the concerned and the family.
And we conclude with a new hope that people are little more, maybe 2% more aware than what they were for childhood cancer, and will definitely spread the message.
Thank you very much. 3 cheers for the entire team. Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip.
Hooray!
Thank you all. It was really nice having you all.
And a big thank you to you too, Imran.
My pleasure, and I look forward to doing more stuff with you guys.
Sure.
So this is Imi Khan signing off with these amazing doctors and medical staff helping create awareness for childhood cancer. I'm going to be meeting you soon with another ride, another cause. Keep watching and keep taking care of yourself. I shall see you soon. Adios. There are some deers over here. Can you see them? Yeah. Oh, they're running away. They're deers. Those were beautiful deers in the midst of Mumbai's national park. जिसमें हमने की आज कैंसर अवेयरनेस रन. Hello.